guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm coming at you with this fun little tutorial on how to make this cute fall pumpkin. I really hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned. So tonight I'm featuring a special guest on my channel.
Hi everybody, I'm Kiers.
And this is my daughter. She's 11 years old, and I thought it would be a neat idea to kind of bring her on so you guys can see that this project is easy for me as well as a youngster. Now this is a good project to do over the weekend or a quick evening kind of craft, just to kind of keep the family engagement going. This project probably takes about maybe 10 minutes. It really just depends on how crazy you want to get with the details and whatnot, but the possibilities are endless. Let's get ready to rumble! So most of these supplies can be picked up at your local Dollar Tree.
And here I am cutting the top and the bottom of my pumpkin.
Which is really important because that's what's going to keep the excess fabric in and secured.
Here we are also cutting the sweaters that we thrifted from the Goodwill for only $1.
Yes, $1 day. Woohoo! Okay, and then so we're going to stretch the arms out just to make sure that the pumpkin can fit securely in there. Wrap it up, push the excess fabric in. It's going to take some time because you want to make sure that it's pretty smooth. I mean, there's going to be some wrinkles and whatnot. Pumpkins aren't perfect, but then you're going to put the top and the bottom piece back in. Here I am doing that, so you guys will see that. I think that's the top. Yeah, this is the top of the pumpkin. And putting the stem back in.
Now we are cutting some wire to make the bendable stem to make it look realistic.
Yeah, super cool. And I folded it in half so it gives it a little more sturdiness. Secure it with some glue. Put it in and on to the next step.
Here we are putting ribbon on our
stem
to make it look realistic.
Yeah, and keep in mind in this area right here, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Pumpkins, like I said, aren't perfect. You're really just putting glue down and just making sure you're covering up the green and the orange part of the fake pumpkin. So, and this is going to be where you can kind of adjust the wire to kind of spiralize the stem. And you can do it however you want to do it. So.
And now I am gluing on some fabric leaves that we also got from the Dollar Tree.
Yeah. So they came in a pack, and there's like, it's a multicolored pack, which was convenient as well. So taking hot glue, kind of placing the leaves where you want them to go, trying to find the look that you're trying to achieve. Super simple. It literally only took maybe like 10 minutes or so to do all this. I actually created a bow for mine, which I thought was really cute. And then we picked up the raffia as well from the Dollar Tree in a multi-pack of red, brown, and what was the other color? Yellow, possibly yellow. Can't remember. And again, I stress this, you do not have to make it perfect. It's whatever you want it to look like.
As you can see, this is a very easy and fun craft. Thanks, Mama.
You're welcome. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified once I upload a new video. Check out all my social media information. It's going to be linked down at the bottom. And until next time, keep inspiring.